Instagram is a social media platform that was developed purposely for sharing ideas or experiences via pictures and videos. Instagram emphasizes on content that is visually engaging. This application features numerous filters that help users to make their posts attractive. Instagram is not only updated regularly to improve the existing features but also to introduce new ones on a regular basis. Instagram has been introducing new features year in year out. For instance, in the year 2016 they launched the Story feature, in 2018 they launched IGTV. These features are very crucial as they are meant to benefit the Instagram users. Instagram has turned into one of the most reliable platforms for business marketing. It is the most convenient platform to increase your brand awareness and even market your business. Instagram is the leading social platform when it comes to social media marketing due to its increase in popularity, wide audience and broad marketing features. When you are new to Instagram, you may find it challenging to market your business since you don't know where to start. Just like Facebook, Instagram introduced a business profile option, which is a great place to get started. In this article, we're going to major on tips and hints that will boost your success path on Instagram, especially the beginners. Create an eye-catching profile. Ensure the first information you provide on your profile will have a good impression to the users landing on your profile page, so it's important to take your time and think about what your profile will entail. You need to think smart because you can only describe your profile in characters not exceeding 150. This means that there is no room to include all your products and services, so here you just need to highlight your very best unique selling proposition and attract the visitors to find out more information about your products or services. It is at this point Instagram allows the one to provide a clickable link to users because they have imposed restrictions on links within posts unless one is running a paid advertising campaign. Many businesses only link to their homepage and that's all, without working on it again or drive traffic to the different parts of their website. However, there is no limitation on how frequent you can alter this link, so you should keep it up to date and you don't have to direct it to your homepage. You can mix it up a bit by sending them to different parts of your website such as the main service page, contact page, event registration form or testimonials page to find out the views of other people concerning your business. Being artistic with imagery. You have to be artistic with imagery if you are to attract many users to view your product page to find out the product you are selling. You should post an appealing image of the product you are selling as this will lure in more visitors to your page. Users are always turned away by images that are not appealing to them and this may not mean good to your business. Major on the remedies your business can offer rather than the product itself. Be artistic and create images that users will be able to relate to your products. This is likely to attract the user's attention to your posts and they will head over to your website to ascertain more information concerning your product or service based on the remedies they have just come across. You should not be afraid to share photos and short videos not exceeding 1 minute in length on the platform. You should try all to find out the ones which get more attraction and following, thereby impacting sales over your website. Instagram Stories. Instagram launched Stories feature to allow users to share short-lived videos and photos that last for 24 hours with your followers. The Stories feature on Instagram resembles the one found in Snapchat. Stories have developed into an essential component of Instagram. They have led to story ads, and now Instagram has provided users with highlights so as to ensure the stories you post last forever. How can you use Instagram Stories on your business? There are several ways you can use to achieve results from Instagram Stories and the way they will benefit your business. Share content created by our audience. You can make use of this feature to display user-generated content as it tends to please the followers. Your followers will be excited to find out that you care enough about them by allowing the content to feature on your website. This will save you time because you don't have to create content on your own and serves as powerful social proof. Obtain content from your audience. Stories can also help you to gain access to user-generated content, which can happen in several ways. You can put in place a call to action to facilitate the users to share photos of the items they have purchased recently. You can adopt poll stickers to generate views and obtain immediate social proof. Be authentic. Instagram stories are eccentric unlike feed content, so it's a great platform to show your fun side. Make use of images and videos to tell more information about your brand and at the same time sharing some behind-the-scenes content whenever you find it necessary. Go live. The Instagram Stories feature allows one to broadcast live directly from your cell phone, and the followers can interact with you in real time. You can talk about a specific subject, interview influencers among other things. Hashtag keywords. The hashtag feature is designed to help the users to convert information into metadata using hash sign. Hashtags are used to categorize all the posts on Instagram, thereby allowing users to find interesting content with ease. Hashtags are classified in the following ways. General topic – it informs your audience about what the topic is all about. For instance, hash photography, hash business niche, it gives precisely related to the general topics. For instance, hash social media marketing community, it entails the information around a community or location. For instance, hashtag California photographer. All the 4 hashtags from each class can be merged to enhance the chances of promoting your content. As an example, hash business, hash social media marketing, hashtag California photographer, hash class day. Come up with an interactive product tag. If you're looking to establish immediate engagement, interactive product tags are a good way to go. It allows the customers to use the tag to showcase the user-generated content. This makes it possible for the users to search through all posts that relate to your product. With an interactive product tag, you can search all the images that you may consider posting again on your page. Creating a product tag that your company can search for is categorized as free advertising. Your company gets the exposure you need every time someone uses your product tag to post a photo. Keep in touch with your target audience. Users feel appreciated when they realize you are taking an active interest in them, so you should also respond every time someone leaves a comment on your post. This will be an indication that you value them and they will respond by showing other users that you don't take them lightly, and this will lead to more comments in the long run. You should not forget to ask questions of your audience as well, because it will get them involved and motivate them to share. The most effective way is to request your followers to tag friends who would admire this. This means that friends are introduced into your profile by someone they trust, thereby attracting a huge following. Use high-quality images and videos. You should never take original photos within the Instagram application simply because it doesn't have a flush function. You will need it every time you want to create quality images. Making use of phone cameras application is recommended because it allows you to edit the picture or include filters after the fact while at the same time retaining the original copy. Good lighting is necessary when taking photos as is sound when shooting a video. High-quality photos and videos are appealing to the users, and this means more people will start to follow you. Instagram making your brand popular on a wide audience within the shortest time possible. This will also lead to more conversions, thereby resulting in additional sales. At first, Instagram was just a simple photo sharing application, but now it has turned into a captivating social experience that allows you to share the experience with your followers and stand out from your competitors. You should opt to share simple techniques to network with your target audience. Instagram users are on the lookout for high-quality content. A valuable and knowledgeable-oriented Instagram is likely to gain users' trust with minimal ease. You may find it overwhelming to develop and maintain the identity of your brand, however, Instagram has made it simple and fun. By following the discussed above beginner Instagram marketing guide, you can rest assured of the immediate success of your business. Thank you for listening. If you want to buy Instagram follower should come niceinsta.com. See you later.